into a super exciting topic, artificial intelligence or AI from the perspective of Gen Z in Indonesia. With a technology evolving so rapidly, it's interesting to see how our generation is interacting with and shaping AI. To help you explore this, we've got a very special host today, Yelva, who is a technology student. Hi Yelva, thanks for joining us today.
Hi Avinda, thanks for having me on the podcast. I'm super excited to chat about this topic with you and the listeners.
Awesome, so AI is something that's everywhere now. Whether it's in our phones, social media, algorithms, or even in education and work. From a Gen Z perspective in Indonesia, how do you think AI is impacts our daily lives?
Yeah, it's crazy how much AI is integrated into everything now. For Gen Z in Indonesia, we've grown up with AI in some form, whether it's voice assistant like Google Assistant or even the recommendation system or on apps like TikTok and YouTube. What interesting is how we're not just passive user of these technologies, we're also creators and innovators. A lot of us are exploring AI through coding, apps, and even content creation. AI to help us solve problems faster, and they're starting to shape how we study, work, and interact with the world.
That's really interesting, if noted, especially on platforms like TikTok, how AI-driven content recommendation can make a huge impact on what we see every day. But you think Gen Z is fully aware of the consequences of AI, like data privacy or job automation?
Good question. I think there's a growing awareness, but we definitely need to talk more about it. Many of us use AI without thinking too much about how our data is being used or the long-term effect on employment. For example, in the future, some jobs um, might be replaced by AI, which is a big concern, especially for young people entering the job market. But at the same time, AI can also create new job opportunities, like in AI development or data analysis. It's about finding the right balance and making sure we use AI responsibly.
I totally agree. It's about embracing AI and learning how to use it for good, while being mindful of its impacts. So, Java, where do you see AI in the next 5 years for Indonesia? Do you think we'll be living in a world fully supported by AI?
I think Indonesia is already making big strides in AI, especially in sectors like e-commerce, fintech, and even agriculture. In 5 years, I imagine we'll see more AI-driven solutions to everyday problems like more personalized learning tools in school, smarter healthcare system, and even more advanced AI in entertainment. But what's key is that Gen Z in Indonesia has the potential to shape the future by learning how AI works and advocating for ethical practice.
That's an exciting vision. Thanks you so much, Lata, for sharing your insights today. I think it's clear that AI will continue to play a huge role in our lives. but it's up to our generation to ensure we use it wisely. And thank you to everyone listening in. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI. Catch you in the next episode.
Thanks for having me, Arvinda. See you all next time.
See you guys.